right, so this is Delicate Arch. It's located in Arches National Park. It's a 3-mile round trip hike with about 500 feet of elevation gain. And let me just tell you this, if you don't get there early, it's gonna be packed. It's a very popular trail. You're gonna have to probably wait on a parking spot and you're gonna be with a crowd of people the whole time. But is it worth it? Totally worth it. If you've never done it, never experienced this hike before, you gotta do it when in Rome. The trail itself is really cool. It's exposed, you're out in the sun, and there's lots of opportunity for injury. So if you got small kids, keep them close by. You're gonna hear a ton of kids crying and complaining the whole way up. It's almost comical. Like I said, it's still worth it. Enjoy the hike, enjoy the video. If you got any questions, put them down in the comments and let's get to it. This is Delicate Arch. Then we are at Arches National Park. We are at the Delicate Arch Trailhead. Gonna go check it out. It's a super busy day. We had to wait quite a bit for a parking spot. Brett, how far we got to go in on this hike?
3 miles round trip.
3 miles round trip, so not too bad. But yeah, here we go. Over to the left, this smooth rock, you can see people going up to the top. It's a very busy trail today, but this will give you a good idea of what to expect. Come do this trail. Yeah, it's pretty challenging. For sure. But it just doesn't let up. Straight up. Still going. Made it to the top, the smooth part. That's the view back to the trailhead. Trail continues that way around the corner, or that narrow squeeze.
I can get somewhere here.
I think we're coming up to the opening here. Okay, to give you an idea of where we are at, trailhead's like right behind the arch, down below. All right, so we are leaving the arch right now. Once you kind of exit the arch area and you get on this narrow trail, there's another tiny arch that gives you a good view back to the arch itself. Okay, so up here to the left is the arch. We're gonna go up check it out before we head down. All right, we can see the trailhead heading downhill now. All right, so back to the trailhead. 3.2 miles. Definitely worth it. It's an awesome trail. Even if it's busy, if you've never done it, still do it. It's great. You're gonna like it. Would I do it again? Not if it's that busy. Maybe a little slower, but definitely worth it.